Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an affiliate program with Refersion detailed guide step by step clearly. To create an affiliate program with Refersion, first, visit the Refersion website and sign up for an account. Complete the registration process by providing your business information. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Settings tab to configure your account. In the Settings menu, select Affiliate Program. Here, you can customize the details of your affiliate program. Decide on the commission structure you want to offer affiliates. You can choose between a percentage of sales or a fixed amount per sale. Next, set the cookie duration to determine how long an affiliate's tracking link will remain active. Proceed to create your affiliate sign-up page. Customize the sign-up form to collect information from potential affiliates. Include fields for their name, email, and any social media profiles they may have. You can also add terms and conditions for affiliates to review. Once your form is ready, save your changes and publish the sign-up page. Now, you'll need to generate unique affiliate links for your affiliates. Go to the Affiliates tab and click on Add Affiliate. Enter the new affiliate's details and assign them a unique referral code. Make sure to include any relevant information about their commission rates. Once set up, send the affiliate their unique link to start promoting. Next, market your affiliate program to attract new affiliates. Use social media, email newsletters, or your website to reach potential partners. Monitor your program's performance from the dashboard. Keep track of sales generated through your affiliates and adjust strategies as needed. Periodically communicate with your affiliates to provide updates and gather feedback. Consider running promotions to incentivize affiliates to increase their efforts. Finally, evaluate your program's overall success and make adjustments to optimize performance. Follow these steps, and you'll successfully set up an affiliate program with Refersion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.